Welcome to the Thaniparts vendor community. To begin, enter your registered mobile number, followed by your password, to access the vendor portal. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with these sections. Account and brand management. Next, review the documents and details you submitted during registration. You can verify your information or change your password at any time. In this video, we'll guide you through using the vendor platform, from logging in, to adding and managing products, and running your store efficiently. Now, explore the categories and brands sections. Dashboard overview. Once logged in, you'll see your main dashboard and navigation menu. Here, you can access home, orders, categories, and brands. You'll also find the point of sale section for direct billing, manage stock, and chat for customer inquiries. Further down, you can manage products, media, wallet transactions, withdrawal requests, location settings, and view detailed sales and inventory reports. If you need to add a new brand to your catalog, you can easily do so from the brands menu. Adding a product. Let's now add a new product step by step. Product name. Enter a clear product name including the part number and supported vehicle models and years. For example, Brembo Prime Rear Brake Pad Set, P50132 for Land Rover Defender 2023. Product type. Select physical product. Description. Add a short and clear description of the item. Tags. Include relevant search tags, such as brake pad or brake. Indicator. Choose genuine or Tajari, as applicable. Country of origin. For this example, select Made in Italy. Inventory and logistics. Update your stock quantity and set the minimum order quantity. Category. Choose brake system parts from the category list. If your product includes a warranty, turn the warranty option on. If not, leave it turned off. Media and specifications. Upload a clear product image. The recommended image size is 180 by 180 pixels. You may add additional images from different angles under other images. If available, you can also attach a YouTube video link for the product. Under Additional Information, select General, Simple Product. Enter your price and special price, if applicable. Fill in the weight, height, breadth, and length. Please note, all fields marked in red are mandatory. SKU and stock management. I will explain about it, let's see. Now, enable stock management. Let's create a smart SKU using key attributes. Brand, Brembo, BRM. Line, Prime, PRM. Position, Rear, RR. Part number, P50132. Vehicle, Defender 2023 DEF23. Set the stock status to in stock, and add a brief final description. Conclusion. Once complete, click Add Product. You'll see a green confirmation message saying, Product updated successfully. You can now review your listing in the Manage Products section. If you need any assistance or clarification, feel free to contact our support team. Thank you for being a valued Thaniparts vendor.